So here's how to screen record on laptop Windows 11. So starting off, we will open up the ShareX application on the PC. If you don't have it, you can download it from the internet. Just look it up, download, and install it. So once we're here, let's go to the left panel and click on Hotkey Settings. Over here, click on Start or Stop Screen Recording. You can also view the keyboard shortcut for this action. For example, Shift plus print screen. This means that you can use this keyboard shortcut to start or stop screen recording. You can also view or add other shortcuts for actions such as Capture Region, Capture Entire Screen, Capture Active Window, and more. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily screen record on laptop Windows 11.